Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Vedangas. This is Amit, accompanied with my co-partner Sumit. We are back with the topic of business statistics. So before going to the explanation, please subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon for the latest notification, and also you can go through our previous playlist for the other new upcoming videos. So guys, in this topic you will learn about business statistics, its origin and development of statistics, definition and importance of statistics, and also with the limitations of statistics and distrust of statistics. So let's start guys. So coming to introduction to statistics. So what is statistics? It is the practice or a science of collecting and analyzing all the numerical data in large quantities, especially for the purpose of inferring proportions in a whole from those in a representative sample. So if we are coming to know the introduction to statistics, today there have been advancement in all sectors like commerce, economics, maths, etc. Not only that, but our life has also been going through a lot of development in various zones. So some of them are like defense, banking and hospitality. So however, all of these depends largely on statistics. So here in this section below we present you a brief introduction to statistics. So guys, as we know, the statistics plays a very vital role in any domain. So these statistics plays a vital role in every way. It helps in collecting the data, be it in any field. Along with that, it also helps in analyzing the data using statistical techniques. It has some statistical techniques which helps to analyze the data. Furthermore, if we talk about the examples, the government uses statistics to conduct planning. The government also uses the statistics for conducting planning in economic sectors. And also in a businessman looks forward to expanding his growth of business by taking into the account data and feedback through statistics. And also similarly, the politics makes use of statistics to show their accomplishment. Accomplishment is something that has been achieved successfully. So now coming to the origin to statistics. So what is statistics already we discussed, and here the origin, according to scholar, the origin is German and the word it comes from statistic, statistik. Similarly, according to more suggestion, the origin is traced back to the French word called statistique. TIQE. So on contrary, we can also say in another view it speaks of its Italian origin and that it comes from statista. According to scholar, the origin is German and the word it comes from statistics. So the statistics can come forward in two ways. One is singular and plural. So when we speak about plural form, the statistics is quantitative as well as qualitative. In plural sense, data is generally taken into account keeping in mind the statistical analysis. And in singularly, it is more like a scientific method that helps in presenting, collecting as well as analyzing data. All of this brings some major characteristics into the limelight. So coming to the limitations of statistics. So usually the limitations comes a lot before directly applying the statistical methods. It is necessary to be aware of it in order to move ahead. So the primary limitations of statistics are the next limitation, it also deals with quantitative data. The statistics deals with quantitative data. However, it is not a very difficult task to do a conversion from quantitative to qualitative. So all that is needed is the numerics and description relating to the qualitative data. So the statistics deals with quantitative, and in order to propose a specific projection, that means sales price, quantity and so on, others etc., there is a requirement of a set of conditions. So if by any chance these conditions turn out to be wrong or are violated, there is a chance that projection and its outcome will be inaccurate. So this is the another limitation of statistics. And also the statistical inference make use of random sampling option. It uses randomly the sampling options. Hence, not following the rules for sampling would be a very bad idea, as it can lead to wrong result. So if the sampling options is not followed in statistics, it leads to the wrong result, and in conclusion we can say it would be having errors if the sampling option is not used. So the idea here is to consult the experts before hopping into the sampling scheme directly. So guys, this is all about the limitations, and also the statistics does not study individual items or deals with individual items. And also the statistical law are not exact. It does not have an exact law and not suitable for the study of quantitative phenomenon. It does not suit to the quantitative phenomenon. And these methods are only mean and not end for solving problems. It is not meant for solving any types of problem. So guys, this is all about the limitations of statistics. So next, coming to distrust of statistics. The distrust means a lack of confidence or belief. So the statistics deals with lot of doubts and suspicions. So further, the science of statistics is always subjected to doubt and suspicions. So the distrust of statistics occur because some reasons due to incomplete knowledge of statistical method, or unrealistic assumption, deliberate misuse of statistics, ignoring limitations of statistics, or misuse of statistics. So due to these reasons, the statistics distrust may occur. So guys, stay tuned for the next upcoming video, and subscribe the channel, like the video, and also share the video for others to be helpful. So thank you for watching the video guys. Thank you. Have a nice time.